Danielle, everything in life, every position and every opportunity brings with it a set of challenges, okay? So as a commercial real estate broker, the opportunity you have is you probably have easier access to some data, such as comparable rents, which is the most important factor in evaluating a property. The challenge is, since we just don't buy every property, and we only buy the ones that have been packaged with the proper tenant, corporate tenant that's gonna come in for the long-term lease, triple net, etc. You are worried about your reputation. Well, here's the deal. The solution is, when you put the deal under contract, you explain to them that although you're a broker, you're foregoing your commission because you represent a fund and you're working with a real estate fund. And that if they ask you, so what are you gonna do? You can say, well, we have a handful of national tenants with whom we discuss a potential franchise or a license agreement. This wording is on the JV website. What to tell a broker listing a property if they ask you what you're gonna do with this property. We have a handful of national tenants with whom we discuss a potential franchise or a license agreement. They need us to provide them with some due diligence regarding the location, and we need their approval before committing to purchasing the property. Sometimes they like the location and they even prefer to run it as a corporate store. Then you add to that, we move rather fast. I don't think anyone could move faster than us with 45 days due diligence and 15 days to close. If we conclude quickly that this is not going to work for any of the national tenants that we could work with, I'm not going to delay you, because God knows I'm a broker like you and I don't want you to have a problem with the seller. But we are a real estate fund and we have certain criteria we just can't buy. Now, any broker that's listing a retail property or any commercial property, they understand that there is a due diligence period, because it can go as a close or it can go as a cancellation. There is no mystery here. They would be upset if you do like the franchisees who come in and put a property under contract and do a due diligence for 90 days and then they need another 30 to 45 days to close with the loan. We're buying all cash. Nobody can move any faster. So don't get too hung up on the challenges. Just communicate, build a little rapport, and then put it under contract and start the smiling and dialing. Don't forget to send me the info, etc. Use the process. But that's a good concern. We always have that concern, but it's par for the course.